Wondering if hidden issues are hurting your performance? This video walks you through exactly how to assess your account health and see your performance notifications to make sure you avoid suspensions. So you're going to go into Amazon Seller Central and you're going to access the account health page, right? Go to account health. The main thing is you want this to say healthy and you don't want any notices right here. Nothing. You don't want anything to pop up. Also, your compliance, you want to make sure this says 0 as well. So just attack those as quickly as humanly possible. On top of that, make sure you have a contact number in here so that way Amazon can call you if needed. You can also talk to an account health specialist here. So if there is a bad notification, you can call an account health specialist. This is not Amazon seller support. This is a different team at Amazon. So definitely try that out. The next one is going to be performance notifications, which is even more important. So you're going to go to performance notifications and it's going to take you here. And you can see here's a performance notification that we recently got. Immediate action required. Review and certify your business information within 10 days or you're going to get deactivated on Amazon. So these are the type of notifications, the performance notification section, the account health section. You should have at least one or two other people logging into your account every day. I don't care if they're user permissions, reviewing this and sending you a screenshot. Everything good, sir. Everything's good. Everything looks great, right? That's what you want. You want somebody that's on top of this and you know they're monitoring it, because one day you're not looking at your notifications and then Amazon's like, you've got 24 hours to respond. You didn't respond. We're deactivating your account, and you don't want that at all. You really want to be on top of this kind of stuff. Now, the biggest thing that's been happening is called repeat violations. So you want to make sure this isn't happening. What happens is AI goes through your listing and it sees that maybe there's a trademark infringement, right? You're selling something that cuts apples, and AI says you're selling an Apple product and you're not allowed to. Violation. And then it's the weekend and you're like, that's Amazon being Amazon. I'm not going to tackle it. Then the next day you wake up and you've got 3 more notifications. You still didn't remove it. And this and that. And it's an AI robot. Now you have repeat violations. And then within 10 minutes, your whole account's suspended. This has been happening a lot lately, where AI hits one listing and then all of a sudden it hits another and another and another and another, and then you're suspended, right? And they're just like fake, terrible violations where AI messed up. But what you want to do is right when something like this happens, let's say it's the word Apple, and it takes down one of your listings. You want to be the person that has somebody help notifying you, or you're logging in every day and you're like, oh, and you go in and you edit all of your listings and it doesn't have the word Apple anymore. And that way you're not going to have a repeat violation, because repeat violations, even if it says no impact, I can promise you they do impact you. They wouldn't be telling you if it didn't impact your account. It all impacts your account. Number 2 is going to be listing deactivation. So if your listing's deactivated, it can cause your entire account to be deactivated as well. So again, we had a client receive this recently, and what happened is AI took down their listing. Happens all the time. But the important thing that you want to see is right here. It says failure to close or delete all restricted products on your account will result in the deactivation of your selling account. So even if you're allowed to sell this product and you're like, AI removed it, like we got to submit documents, Amazon wants you to close the listing or delete the listing. And if you don't, your entire account will be deactivated. So if it's the weekend, so again, it always happens on like a Sunday or like a Friday night. You wake up and you're like, or you're about to go to bed. You're like, what the? Get out of bed and go and tackle it. I'm sorry. That's what you got to do if this is your full-time business, because you will get suspended. It's just Amazon being Amazon, especially with AI these days. Amazon International Marketplace is causing suspension. This one has been huge recently, where you might not even have a notification. You might not even have a performance notification with this one. That's why this one is so scary, because what happens is you're going to log in and you also sell in Canada, you sell in Mexico and Brazil, usually automatically, if you didn't know that. And if Canada gets suspended, then your USA account automatically gets suspended or can automatically get suspended. And it did happen recently. People are like, oh no, that wouldn't happen. It happened. It happened, right? So this person only sells on the USA, but Amazon automatically connects your USA account with your Canada account. And then Canada had identity or some type of verification. His Canada account was suspended. And then 2 days later, they suspended his USA account. So you want to be making sure you're on top of it for every single platform that you sell on at the end of the day, right? So when you're looking at these accounts, and we're kind of just going through, go through the drop down. And then look, we've got Brazil, Canada, Japan, we don't have to worry about yet because it says pending. But any of the ones that don't say pending, and you click on them and they say your account is going to be deactivated, you want to look into them as well, because sometimes they don't say any performance notifications or even emails in your USA marketplace. And if Brazil gets suspended, it can cause your USA list, your USA account to get suspended, and so on, which is terrible on Amazon's part that they don't tell you about that. But that's just been happening lately on Amazon. So that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like if you're an Amazon seller. Highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description. We help with all types of violations as well as increasing sales. If you work with us, we have account management where we're monitoring your notifications 24/7, 365, even on weekends. We're also jumping in and doing manual verifications. So that way you're only notified when there's an actual problem, and we'll notify you on how we're already working to solve it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.